ఈరోజు నాకు చాలా చాలా ఎమోషనల్గా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ ఫర్గివ్ మీ. ఐమ్ గోన్ టు స్పీక్ ఫ్రమ్ మై హార్ట్. ఐమ్ గోన్ టు టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. I want to start with talking about the person because of which I am here today, my director, Murli Kishore sir. If you didn't give me Bharti, I wouldn't get this appreciation today. If you didn't give me the space and if you didn't put me up there as Bharti, I wouldn't get the appreciation that I have gotten today. So thank you so much. I will always be grateful for you, sir. Coming to Akhil, I've seen you work really hard, and even though I may not know your journey of these past 10 years, I know what it might feel like when things don't work out. But I've seen you work so hard right beside me. I've seen you work blood, sweat, tears. I've not seen you sit even for a second. And I used to complain to you all the time, why are you not sitting? And you are always on call, making sure everything is going right. So I think you deserve so much love. I told you, 10th, just wait and watch. And this love is coming and it's come. You have arrived, Akhil. Manodu Chadu. So, I'm chala excited now. I don't know what our next script is going to be, but I can't wait for it. I can't wait to act beside you because you are a performer. Vamsi sir, actually he called me and he was like, Manchi script Bhagyashri, you'll do it. I was like, and then thank you for giving me this script because I am here because of you as well. If you didn't tell me, come off, listen to the narration, this wouldn't be possible. So I think all of you have bits and pieces for the reason that I'm standing here today. Nag sir, I called you a day before release, just a few hours before release, and I told you I'm so nervous. I told you I did my best, and I told you I hope you're happy with me. And you said hard work always pays off. That's all you said. And I think I'm really grateful that you have put in so much effort for us. I will always be grateful for you, and I hope I'm waiting for the future collaborations too. Vrunda ma'am, without you, I wouldn't look that good. Without you, my screen presence wouldn't be this good. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. You've always motivated me to do better, and I will always do better and make you proud. Brahma sir, it was fun working with you. Thank you so much for being so supportive and teaching me Pekata. So, Shivaji sir, I saw your performance and I was mind blown, sir. Thank you so much for being so supportive. You've always told me hard work will pay off, consistency will pay off, and I hope you're proud of me. Pramod, I think he's one excellent actor that we've gotten in the Telugu cinema, in the Telugu industry. I saw him on the screen while watching the film and I was mind blown. Ishwari ma'am, your eyes have like some power. I don't know how you do it. So if I am forgetting anybody, Taman, obviously his BGM was amazing. I think he's lifted the film to another level. And more importantly, Bruto, I think he's worked really hard too. So thank you so much. And my ADs, I've troubled you a lot. I hope all the hard work has paid off for all of you, and I hope we're all happy we did it. So, lastly, I just want to say one thing. It's been a journey. It's been a journey of 1.5 years. And, sorry, every time that I've fallen, it's the messages of my fans, the reels, the constant motivation you guys have shown me, because of which I'm here today. So thank you so much. I just want to say one thing, that Hyderabad is my karma bhumi, and I wish that Na Aakhri film is also here. So thank you so much, everybody.